If you have a bottled water supplier business and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple website for your bottled water supplier business. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. And we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, bottled water supply. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from. You can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, multi-sites will work its magic and create a simple website for your bottled water business and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. Also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that content, make it a bit more personalized to your business. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top and pop in the various contact details for my business. I want to make sure that that email address is visible for my customers to see. So let's go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in the various links for your social media platforms. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, resize your logo to make it bigger and smaller on the right over here to fit into the section a bit better. If you'd like to change the colors that were pre-selected for you, you don't need to know color coding. Just click on that little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, click on that white button directly underneath the section. Underneath update images where you can browse your device or search through the photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons, change the text on the buttons, and where they link to, you can even upload a PDF file with more details about your business in PDF formats. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, custom domains are super easy as well. If you want to connect yours, click on that yellow button at the bottom that says connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain for your business yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via the multi-sites platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the multi-site platform for your bottled water supplier business. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.